Testing. Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the London session live stream. Let's get to it. Alright, so this is the breakdown that I sent to the members, but we'll obviously go through all of this. So, as per the weekly breakdowns which I've sent in the newsletter, if you haven't had a look at the newsletter, the link is in the video description. It's a free email newsletter where I'll be sending the weekly breakdowns from now on. So I was looking for those pullbacks to 2000 or even 1990. So we've got the pullback to 2000, and it looks like this 4 hour is going to close bearish off of this level. So 2000, obviously, you know, nice round number, psychological number, but we can also see to the left here that, you know, 2000 has been a significant area for a long time. Even further to the left, we know that 2000 is a significant area in price, and we've had a deeper pullback, deeper top wick formed on the weekly candle, and we are showing signs of rejection there to 2000. Now, one thing we need to note is that we are essentially just ranging here. This is very choppy. So we're just going based off of that 4 hour candle coming into a time of volume, you know, reacting to that 2000 level. Where is the next 4 hour candle most likely to go? Being bearish, I could see the next 4 hour also moving bearish, but we need to be prepared for both sides. So the daily candle yesterday closed bullish, although we were in this range for some time here. So we were in this range for some time. We closed out of that range on Friday, and even yesterday we are still closing below that range. So maybe we just grab some liquidity on today's candle and we come, you know, maybe we come down to 1950 today. It's possible, but you know, there's not too much going on in terms of news. There's news later for the dollar in the afternoon. You know, that could be a catalyst to drive price like that, but other than that, we are just ranging here, and we need to just be aware that, you know, we might not have the volume to be breaking below this area right here. And then what we could see is that this daily candle could come create a bottom wick, and then maybe we continue to move up. So obviously that is a possibility, and because we look like we're coming down to create that bottom wick on the daily, I could look at taking advantage of some sells and using that idea of the daily coming to create a bottom wick as a vantage point, and then we kind of just take it as it comes and manage along the way, and potentially have run us down to 1970. But also what I'm looking at here is if we do form support at 1990, then obviously we could maybe look at that as the bottom wick for the daily and look to drive back up to 2000. On the 15-minute here, you can see you had this pretty slow move to the upside. You started to break through some of that structure there as well. So let's see how the 4 hour candle closes. I'd like to see a nice top wick on the new 4 hour. Yeah, if we can get a nice top wick on that new candle, I'll probably just look at sell stops on the break of this hourly candle here, and then stop loss above there. And like I say, using that daily coming to create a bottom wick as a vantage point, then what we could do is, as we come to create that bottom wick, is go break even. So that is about 20 pips to break even. But let's just see how it closes. And keep in mind this 1990 area, that could be a problem. GJ, we have news for the yen in a minute. 1 minute. CPI news, not going to be major like USD CPI. But you know, if these numbers are low, then that could potentially feed into this current bullish trend here. So overall, GJ bullish. I'd like to stick to the buys, but we have tapped into these significant highs here at about 168. So I think the safer buys will be above there. Right now, looks like we may get deeper pullbacks to set up for better buys. Otherwise, just looking for the safer buys above 167.950. And then in terms of sells, you know, maybe willing to adapt to sells below 166.620 in this clean range right here. So your 4-hour close very strong, bearish there. Let's see what happens. If we could get a nice top wick, then I'll be game for sell stops on the break of the lows here. But also look at it like this, just this most recent range here on the 30-minute. So you've closed below there, and you're looking to mirror this candle here to the left. And then, like I say, if that higher time frame bearish momentum comes in, there's obviously plenty of range back down to the lows here at 1970. Just for some confluence, the dollar index, we have been pretty weak on the dollar. We saw this extended move down, but we've tapped into just about 101, and looks like we are holding that area. Lakers win now and focus on trading. Hey. So I'm pretty happy with that in terms of a top wick for the 4-hour. Like I say, we're looking to mirror this candle here to the left and come and create a bottom wick for the daily. So plenty of confluence here. So I'm going to have a sell stop on the break of these lows at, let's call it 1991 flat. Then I'll have my stop loss above the previous hourly high for about 30 pips at 1994. But it's slightly lower on my broker, about a pip lower. 1990.9 is my sell stop. Good morning, Reese. What's up? What's up, Carl? Carl Trades. Thanks for that, bro. Do you support any Premier League teams? I don't want to talk about it, man. I was supporting Man U, but I mean, I wasn't big into soccer. I liked it as a kid when there were soccer cards. You know, back in my day, we had the soccer cards and all of that. So I liked Man U back then, and then I stopped watching soccer for a long time. Started again last year, and my mates were also supporting Man U. And then, yeah, they were just trash. It was pretty disappointing. And Ronaldo coming back made it even better for me, and then it was just, yeah, didn't really turn out the way I thought it would. But I can't talk too much on soccer. I know you soccer guys are passionate. Okay, so as soon as we break previous candle lows, I'll be in here. Here we have the stop loss. I'm going to have my stops on the previous hourly highs. Just a nice safe stop, but you can always manage your risk on the break of previous 30-minute highs. Only Palmer Tom. Oh, Everton. What's up, Nico? Hey, what's up, Luke? Okay, guys, I'm activated here. Sell stops have been activated at 1991. My stop loss is at 1994, above the previous hourly high. And we're looking to at least come down and create a bottom wick on the daily candle here. So I'll go break even as we move into this 1988.5 area. And then we can see what happens on the daily flip if we do come down below 1988.5. Could still see us coming down as per the higher time frame review from the week. Your 15-minute candle coming to a close shortly. I would like us to close below this support. If we're closing back above, then that may look like a fake out. Even breaking previous 15-minute highs. Don't really want to see that. Alright, we broke above previous 30-minute highs here. I didn't manage risk or anything there. I wanted to see the 15-minute close at least. So let's just see what happens here. Stops are about 30 pips. could just be a steeper top wick for the 4 hour. Yeah, nah. This is not looking good. So there's the pre-London volume, but obviously got the direction wrong. So, you know, these things happen. Looks like probably gonna hit stops here. Unless we respect that previous hourly high there. But this is just one of those days by the looks of things. Still in here. You see that previous hourly high, you know, the reason we use those highs as a stop loss is if you look at the lower time frame structure, you'll see that that previous hourly high was some sort of significant level there in price. So we are respecting that high right now. I don't want to get, you know, over the moon and think we're going to come back to profit. Are still in drawdown here, but we survived the stop loss for there. The ugly thing here is the 15 obviously is very bullish. So this 15 could just be creating a bottom wick to continue moving up. You know, that is a possibility. But based off the 4 hour, you know, and like I say, daily candle having no bottom wick, if we do come back and re-break the current candle lows or break previous 15-minute lows, we should at that point at least fill this traffic here to the left to 1989. Stopped out. I'm still in. How big is your guys' spread? Guys need to move to tick more. Pardon?
I said I'm also in still.
Oh.
I didn't get triggered out. But you know what I noticed about Tickmore that's quite weird to me? Is like my position was at 1990.9, okay? Like where our sell stops were.
Yeah.
And then I got triggered before my sell stop. So like it probably went over and jumped a bit back and then continued. So I got basically put in on 1990.97, not 90. So they gave me 7 ticks.
I'm also at 97. I'm just looking now.
It's just I haven't had a broker that gets like, and that wasn't volume. You know what I mean? It like touched us in and then, so it's like weird. But I've noticed their spread opens up.
It almost gave us the spread back.
Yeah, basically. It was like half. It gave us more than half the spread back, basically.
That's fucking weird.
It happens often. It's happened to almost every trade I've taken on my life.
Yeah, guys, like I say, this 15 minutes could easily flip bullish and then drive up. So I'm out here. Stop loss has been hit. So negative 30 pips to start the morning. Not the greatest start to the week, but obviously we just keep moving.
Is this 4 hour creating a top wick now?
Could be.
Did you think about the 4 hour coming in at 7?
Yeah. Waited for it.
That
is the idea behind the trade.
Yeah, I just saw sell stops come through on notifications and I was like, oh, Connor's up early again. Let me go.
Yeah, this is normal time now.
No, I mean like the trade is early. Like, well, it seems to be normal now for the trades.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. The thing is, if this 30-minute close is bullish, you know, we could start moving back up. So the thing is, with the daily candle having no top wick and the way we were coming down, I thought we would at least get that. I mean, sorry, no bottom wick. I thought we would at least get the bottom wick before forming support. So I thought maybe, you know, we could potentially form support down here. And then, obviously at that point, if we were in the cells, we would have managed and just seen if we broke below or held this area. But I was looking at this area for potential buys after we had created the daily bottom wick. So if you're forming support now, you know, maybe we don't get the daily bottom wick and we just move back up here to 2000. Because the thing is, you know, as discussed, when we zoom out here, we can see that we are just in this higher time frame range. And if we zoom out a little bit more, you can see that gold is pretty much bullish. We could expect to see further pullbacks, but for those safer sell ideas, I think we'd need to break below 1970. So today was a little bit more of a high risk, going based off of that rejection on 2000. Considering how choppy the range was, obviously it was a little bit of a riskier trade. But with that volume coming in, with the 4 hour giving that confirmation and rejection, daily bottom candle having no bottom wick, you know, the trade looked good to me. So this is where we're sitting on gold right now. On a higher time frame perspective, you know, it's very normal to see these very deep pullbacks. And we've kind of got to that high point, failing to push up any higher. We could easily start to see us move down to 1950 or even 1900 over the next few weeks. But as of now, you know, we are just consolidating.
When it had that little pullback moment, I closed out half my position on that. So I'm quite glad I did.
We're on the break of previous 30 minutes.
No, when it pulled, no, we wanted to there, and when we didn't, because it like just kind of went through that level without giving us like a chance.
Oh, you mean the new 15-minute like bottom wick?
Yeah, when it got to the lowest,
Yeah.
to the like, it was its lowest, but it was like more than like 12 pips away from our stops, and then or 11 pips, and then I closed out half. Just because I was like, I missed my management point. I was like, I don't like that. And then I was like, okay, if there is some bottom wick, I'll close. And when it sat still, I closed.
Yeah. Let's see what that yen CPI did. Nothing really, eh? So numbers came out a little bit higher. So that could even bring a bit of strength to the yen. Could get those deeper pullbacks. But keep in mind, Friday is also big news for the yen. Although I think it's quite well expected that the Bank of Japan is looking to just keep things the same for the interest rates and monetary policy. Yeah, early day. Getting it over and done with. Take my L, call it a day. Probably best.
So what you want to do?
So early. I still feel fresh. I don't even feel like I took an L. I'm like still waiting here for a setup. Stream has just started. I think I'll just wait for maybe the 30-minute candle close. I don't know if I'll wait until London open today, but let's see how the 30 candle closes.
So decide what you're gonna wait for. If it doesn't happen, we buy, we leave.
Yeah, that's what I said.
30 minutes, eh? What? Fuck, bro. I just want to go play golf. But every time I look at my golf bag, I get upset.
What?
Because my sandwich is almost weg.
Oh, God.
And like, to buy a new sandwich, it's like a third of the price of my set. So I'm like, what the fuck is the point? Like, why is it so expensive for this one stupid club? But I get it because it's out of set. But still.
Doesn't oh no, Cam nothing sold that sandwich.
No, but I wouldn't buy that one, bro. That's like almost
that
that's
thing
too
is
much.
nice, bro.
No, this one I was looking at is also a tailor-made, so it goes not goes with my set, but it's like tailor-made. So, yeah. Anyway.
I'm not in love with this whole range here on gold. I can't wait for us to break above 2014 or below 1997. Because I mean now it's just starting to get choppy. Last week we still had some clean moves within this range. You know, we even got to take advantage of both of these very nice downside moves, but now, I mean, yesterday was just ranging really. Even with Friday's PMR, once you came into these lows, it was just dead. Dead.
Can I ask your opinion on something?
Just hold on. So this could be the top wick here. I mean, if we form resistance here on this 15 now, you know, maybe we just got tagged out and we continue moving down. Thing is, this 30-minute candle closing bullish makes it pretty tough because that's a support now.
At one
Trade
15-minute candle.
news. Yeah, I do.
That's just fucked everything, bro.
I think I'm just going to watch how this plays out here because it's pretty tough at the moment with the 30-minute candle closing like this.
Let's believe in 1 minute, bro. It's gonna flip. 30's gonna flip now. A few seconds. We'll miss our position then if that's the volume.
Yeah, no.
It is awkward, eh? It's like it. Fuck it. It looks like we're gonna have an early morning. This time we're just not taking an early dub, but an early L.
Yeah. I feel like either way we break out of this, could get a nice move up or down. But it's actually just pretty low volume, to be honest. Just zooming out, understanding market conditions, it's just, leading up to the big news next week, we can see that we haven't had the same kind of nice, clean movement as we were having last week and the weeks prior. And the longer we stay in this range, the choppier the price action gets. So I mean, it's not the clearest of days here. I think you could argue for buys or sells, but it's pretty tough. I like the sells based off the 4 hour, obviously reacting to that 2000 level. But with that 30-minute closing like that, maybe waiting for another 30-minute to close bearish could give you a little bit more confidence for the sells. Obviously, I like that we formed resistance here on this 15, but I don't want to be selling into the bullish 30-minute.
Why did that 15 minutes have to just come in and show its face? Like, honestly. That's really how you just kick all your sellers out real quick, eh?
Yeah, took out all the retail traders.
100%.
Came to fetch our stop loss.
You see, guys, this is where we needed 100 people with 10 lots. We were going to drive that market down. We didn't have enough influence.
One day.
Ah, shit.
You know what? This is the same trade idea really. On the 4 hour. The flip of this 4 hour. Or as it breaks its own low here. It's the same trade idea. But now we've really confirmed that top wick. If we come back now and break the lows. So I'm going to do the same sell stop basically. Just a little bit lower. On the break of 4 hour lows here. It looks like we've got a top wick on the 4 hour candle. And now if we come back and flip bearish with this pre-London volume, looking to at least come and create a bottom wick on a daily candle. Stop loss will be 1994.3. So very much the same idea here. We've just got that steeper top wick on the 4 hour. Just took us out there. We have formed resistance here on the 15 minute. Still moving bearish here. Still looking to come down and create this bottom wick for the daily. Black spark. What are you saying, Fobs? Yeah, this 15-minute candle. 6.
Yeah, bro, fuck that 15, honestly.
Swept the liquidity.
Connor, why aren't we a bank, bro? Why are we still getting kicked out as retail traders, hey? What's going on here? We need to just become a bank, and then we won't get kicked out from those small things.
We don't trade SMC. Jokes.
Jokes.
If that's how the
Like,
bank trades it, not even the bank trades are.
yeah.
You know what I mean?
100%.
Why don't we just become gods? What? Oh, actually, no. One day. Obviously, if we break previous 30-minute highs, then I'll delete the sell stops here. May as well just keep it on the 4 hour there. we're not really seeing the volume that I would like to see, so I may just end up deleting this. Give it another 5 minutes. I'll wait for the 15 to close. Chat, give me 2 minutes. I'll be back before we get triggered in here. I actually need to go for an emergency haircut today.
I'm available from like 11.
So what, are you gonna cut my hair?
To cut your hair.
Ew. You know, in lockdown, got Scott to cut my hair. Fuck. We actually cut each other's hair. It's terrible. Thank God no one saw us.
No, I'm not too bad with cutting hair, bro. To be honest with you, like like your hair, like you'll have to stand next to you and look at your hair to maybe notice that a barber didn't cut it for you. That type of barber. But I can cut and I can put a fade. So
So that giveaway essentially last week Friday with the guys who subscribed. I'm gonna do it now. I'll type the names into a random name picker. All the guys who subscribed on Friday to the newsletter. Nah, guys, what are these? What are these names? Where are you guys from? Everybody in the chat, let me know where you're from today. I'd love to know.
Did you see that I sent you another fucking rip-off of like Brakpan, but a different, not Brakpan this time, it was another place.
Nah, I'll go
Yeah, I'll
check.
send
I
you
saw
now.
the Cape Flats one.
Yes, that one. Yeah, it's Cape Flats. Yeah. It's kak funny. They're just taking the piss now.
Bro, I'm just wondering, I mean, if people overseas actually see that and come here and book flights to flipping Brakpan, Cape Flats.
I wonder if anyone has, like one person has. Yeah. Yes, you have Turkey, Kenya, India, Albanian from Switzerland.
Limbo. Albanian. Hey. Devin. Devin. Oh, shit. I want to go to Albania, man. Find myself a wife there.
I'm not dead.
Don't tell my girlfriend.
That's what I said. Bah, gonna dead. Watch your next destination be Albania.
Sure, God. You. Russia and Albania.
Calm yourself, big boy.
Now that's a destination.
There's a place that I saw that we need to go to though. I think I did send you the link of Andrew Tate that speaks about it. This one area, and then it's like all these models are there, and no one knows about it, and like beer is cheap there and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Have you seen that video?
Uh-uh.
He speaks about the small town that him and Tristan used to go to, and he says it's just plus tens, like 15 out of tens are in that place, and there's like they're everywhere. It's just they don't get out because it's such a small town and stuff, and everything's so cheap and so on. And then yeah, they used to go there, but like obviously now that he's like blurted that out, it's probably a known town now. So
Oh, yeah. Okay, so Abhijit, I'm going to email you and we'll give you access to the New York session. Obviously we'll just organize a time for whichever works best for you. I just used the guys who signed up on Friday since it was the giveaway for Friday. But look, what I'll do is next time we'll do it like on the Instagram followers, for instance, and then I'll scroll through all of the IG followers. It's so difficult to do these giveaway things, like how to pick a name, you know. There's like 60 email subs here. To type them all in, goodness, it was difficult enough to type in like 7.
I feel like it always happens to DJ, bro.
But yeah, those were the guys from. You signed up on Friday. No. Those are all the names from Friday. I've got the email list here. Obviously, I'm not going to put it on screen. It's people's email addresses. Okay, so I'm going to delete these sell stops. Not looking great. In fact, we could even continue to move up here. If I hadn't already been looking for those sells, I might have been reassessing now at this point to actually move up. But yeah, here's what it is. One loss. Just gonna call it there. I'm not going to wait until London session. I look to potentially give this trade a second chance here. As we started to come back down, looked like we may have been flipping bearish on the 4 hour there. But right now we're moving back up, breaking previous 30-minute highs. But I mean, yeah, overall, like I say, to the left, gold is really choppy, man. I don't like to trade into this kind of stuff.
Well, I was also about to make a new high, so
Yeah.
current 4 hour. So yeah, it's about to make its own new high. Yeah, I'm calling it as well, Con. I'm not gonna trade this morning with that. I'll trade in the afternoon.
Yeah. Okay. I'll check you. My barber's probably not even open yet.
Who's your barber?
Go there to the mailroom in Vincent.
Is it that guy, that young guy that cut your?
Yeah, James. That was pretty good.
What's his name? James. Hey.
James, yeah. Barber James.
Yeah. He looks pretty good. How much you charge for your haircut there?
Varies from day to day, bro. But sometimes like 150, 120, which is like kind of standard these days.
Not a fuck boy. I'll get my haircut for 70 bucks. Went up the other day for 10 rand. It used to be 60. Now it's 70. Ah, boy.
That's...
And you don't need to make no booking. You just walk in there. How's it, chommy? Cut. Like a bar, chommy. And then you're gone. On your way.
Nah. Where do
My
you
friend,
go?
you can right here from a Pick and Pay, bro. Like right up the road. There's a Pick and Pay here. And there's a barber like right next to it, dude. And yeah, he used to charge 60 bucks. Now he charges 70. Because he changed his shop. Like he did his shop, he made his shop a bit better. So it went up by 10 rand. Which I understand. That's fine.
Yeah.
But yeah.
No, that is very cheap. That like used to be the haircut rate like 5 years ago. And it's gone crazy. And like the places that I used to go, they also used to be like 70, but now they're also like 150. And then there's this place next to the Pick and Pay here by me. And I was going there for a bit, and that guy was charging like 100 bucks.
Yeah, I used to go to that guy too.
I didn't really like the way I was cutting my hair.
Yeah, he cuts. Yeah, exactly what I saw, bro. He like does a weird cut on the top, eh?
I don't know, I
Like,
can't remember. I just didn't like the way he was cutting my hair.
He cuts it
Kinda
like
fucked up.
longer on the front and shorter at the back or some shit like that. I remember he did, and I was like, nah, I'm not about this. And then yeah, but I used to cut my hair by him for a long time too.
Oh yeah, that guy from, I think he's from Algeria.
Yeah, and he can speak Afrikaans as well. Speak some Afrikaans
Yeah.
because he's from Bloem. He went to Bloemfontein and from Bloemfontein to yeah. He says he learned to speak because he had to cut all the Afrikaans people's hairs, so he used to learn a bit.
Yeah.
It's quite funny. Hello, Nico. What's up? And then Ned says they put a pot on your head. That's right. No, sorry. My hair is cut very nicely. It's okay. Do you think I'll go out, bro? Please, don't insult me, Ned. Where would I go outside with a pot haircut? But Connor, that's a way I can cut your hair, bro, if you need me to. Do I have the same haircut
Not a chance, bro. Not a chance.
I promise, bro, I'll give you the same haircut every single time. Like
has to be faded nicely. You know?
Bro, I can fade, dude.
Yeah, I don't know. I have trust issues.
Let me just.
When it comes to hair, I have trust issues, bro.
Oh, don't trust me, eh, Connor? Don't trust me.
I don't trust anyone.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Just hurt my feelings like that. It's okay.
Okay, chat.
Yo, you do
well, anyway, that's gonna be the day. So, Abhijit, I'll pop you an email. We'll chat there. Are you a trader or yeah, I think you
but
need to
both
decide.
depends where I want to make my money. Like today, Connor took a L, now he's gonna go make some money as a barber. Side hustle, bro.
I'm gonna actually go lose money at the barber as well.
Just remember, come over gets the leg over. Come on, please cut your hair and come over.
I can't, bro. I don't even have hair to comb over.
Grow it, please, bro.
I
I
actually, I'm
just
gonna
want.
grow out the top a little bit. Not like mad. I'll keep it very short. But I've been doing like a 3 on the top and then fading the side. So I think I'll leave the top today. Just fade the sides, neaten up. Because right now I look like a tennis ball. So
Tennis ball.
fuck, man. Cheers, everybody. See you later. Take it easy. Gold is, like I say, in a higher time frame range. Pretty low volume. You might see some nice moves with the news later in New York session today. Otherwise, yeah, not looking like we're gonna have fireworks for today. So just take it easy, play it safe. GJ, also, you know, we tapped into these significant highs here. Could see some deeper pullbacks, but overall, right now just consolidating. And if we're zooming out, we are very much still bullish. So just be patient. Yeah, personally, I'd like to see the buys planning out above 167.950. Other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.